Now, Birdie is a small branch line bus. Everywhere he is, he can take some passengers and occasionally some visitors on a tour of the island of Sodor. It was their fourth afternoon, and Thomas the Tank Engine was waiting for Birdie so that he can collect his own passengers. Unfortunately, Birdie was nowhere to be seen. Thomas was starting to grow a little anxious and was originally preparing to present a blast from his whistle when he heard a faint honk honk. There in the distance was an overheating Birdie with his passengers. I made it. Hey, what's going on, Bertie? Asked Thomas. You don't seem very well today. Oh, I feel dreadful, moaned Birdie, all upset inside. And worst of all, Driver doesn't know if he can make me feel better. Oh dear. I'm sorry to hear that, mate. Oops, that's the conductor's whistle. Got to run. Hope you feel better, Birdie. Later that day, the Fat Controller was sitting in his office, once again making a few arrangements for the scheduled trains.
Excuse me, Sir Charles Topham Hatt?
Yes, it's open. Now, I don't usually inform this to you, but your railway bus has been suffering from radiator failure. He's on his way now to the repair depot. Very well then, but keep in mind, we have some tight schedules to keep up, more specifically on Thomas's branch line. I mean, we can't just leave the vacationers disappointed or anything. Now just what do you have in mind, actually? Personally, I think the boys can explain the situation much better than I could.
And what luck we've gone through to pick up new railway buses for you, sir. Now the ones that we purchased for you were either known for sailing smoothly on the highway or collecting school children through the neighborhood.
And we can guarantee to you, sir, that the minute that Birdie comes back tomorrow, he'll be in for a big surprise, all right?
I guess he took the words out of my mouth.
The next day, when Birdie came back from the repair depot, he had to take a stop to rest. Here he can see 3 new railway buses looking almost identical to him, almost as if they're long-lost brothers. What in the world? Where do they come from? Birdie thought to himself. Could it be that I'm being replaced? Naturally, the Fat Controller climbed down and spoke to Birdie.
Ah, there you are, Birdie. I've been looking all over for you.
Well, I do appreciate your blessing, sir, but what is the meaning of this?
Well, believe it or not, these 3 railway buses are here to help you on the branch line today. And to make things much easier, each and every one of you lot will be in 4 separate stations delivering the passengers to Thomas. Think of it exactly like the Trouble board game, but in reality, that is. Right then, off we go to work now. We cannot keep the passengers waiting any longer now.
the journey was finished safely and the passengers thanked Thomas for the trip along the way.
Good evening, Birdie. Hey, thank you for delivering my passengers today. That sure was quick, let me tell ya. Also, who knew that going from station to station, you can change color all of a sudden? Must be some new kind of magic.
Actually, Thomas, the entire journey was proven to be successful thanks to the help of some new friends along the way. And so, with a last cheerful greeting, the two friends went back to work.